Right there with the ball.
Yeah, he's so cool. Things
Go, boys. It's going to be a good kick. It's going to be a good kick.
Turn! Guys, come on, pay attention.
Number 19.
Back a little bit, Steve.
Good job, bro.
Turn. Back, Glenn, back.
Oh, bro. Good job.
What, late hit? Yeah, it was a late hit.
Good shit, bro.
Up together.
Go, boys!
Get that.
Attack,
get that.
attack!
Whoa.
What the hell?
Shit.
Guys, y'all named him after the fucking city?
Yeah, literally.
All right. Let's see what we got here. Hey, sub if you need.
Smoking Foley's was a person.
Go get it.
Let's go, Scots!
Go, Mason.
That was not
Thank you.
That was at least 8. Take it, boys!
That was maybe 9.
They just let JZT off on that guy. That's fucked up.
Good. Come on. Eat
Oh,
that.
you're
Get with him. Ship it. Ship it.
Woo! That's a high tackle, Cook.
That's everything and nothing at the same time.
Ship it. Ship it.
There you go.
All the way.
Oh, nice guy. Oh, Steve.
He's down.
Seated, smoking Foley's. You got me fucked up.
Move it.
There you go.
Come on, all the way, boys.
Oh, no.
That's why we ship it right away.
Yeah.
Come on, boys, turn around! There you go.
Yeah, white shirt had to fucking pass that.
Oh,
puck.
come on.
All
right.
Arthritis was like, no, sir, you can't run with that.
Let's see what we got here.
I was in.
Yeah. All good. All good. Hey, who wants to go in?
7.
Yeah, someone take center.
I'm out.
You're good,
All right. Hey, you're playing 9.
How's the rest?
Thank you.
I'm a 10.
Brad, ship it out.
Boys, you have 8. Yeah, that's our plan.
2, 4, 6, 7. Thank you, Steve. Oh shit.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Ship it! Ship it! Ship it! Come on, Wilson. Fucking ship it.
He should have passed that sooner. He got the ball in his hands.
He took 2 steps.
Yeah, Brad would have made that pass a little faster. It would have been good, but it's all right.
Get that, boys. Get that.
Oh, we have the gap.
Why didn't you give us advantage?
Fuck. All right, let's see what we got here. I'm gonna
Can you play 10? Dude, put these two big fuckers in our play 10, bro. Oh, 10 is so easy.
It's easy.
You just catch it and throw it. No, not even, bro. Catch it and just fucking run someone's shit in, bro.
Line
Run
out.
them through the dirt.
Wow. Line out.
The ball went out, yeah.
I've never seen line out.
In seventh?
Maybe it's just my first time watching sevens.
Oh, yeah.
That's all I noticed. I didn't know that sevens.
If the ball goes out of bounds.
All right. After the whistle, I'm actually gonna have you going for Brad. Honestly, he's
I've seen Scots.
balder
Yeah,
hair.
it's basically the same thing.
Yeah, he's smaller. You see him over here?
I think so. I think I do. I'm just
Yeah, going for him. I'm gonna have you going for Jay-Z.
Right now?
Yes.
Jay-Z!
Jay-Z!
Looking bastard on your
Jay-Z and Brad.
I haven't even played this game.
Glenn, I'm about to get you in. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tired guy.
Yeah. I'm just gonna wait for this next play. No, we're okay. Yeah. We got guys.
You need a sub or camera?
I think we're okay. I think I'm okay. I'm trying,
Somebody
but
give me a hand. Hey. Yeah.
I'm stuck.
Big lad! Big lad!
go. I'm gonna put you in for Glenn after this play.
All right.
Let's go,
Yes. Boom. Yeah, go in. Yeah. Tom.
I can go back in and say my knees.
You good or? Yeah. I'm gonna have you going for 17. 17.
You want to see a magic
17?
Yeah. Hey, you good, man? Yeah. All right. It's last play, so.
What's the score now?
Are you talking to me?
Now?
Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. 7 on. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I don't even know who's playing what.
That is 10.
That's good.
Get low. Come on.
There we go. Good tackle.
Slide! You have to slide. Yep. Get him.
That's some good D on 5. They took lead side. They took lead side. That's play. That's game. Good work, boys.